Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound yen, GBPJPY. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Gold, USD, then you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the 4 dot chart of GBPJPY in front of us right now, and as you can see, that market is standing at 156.05. This is the current market price of GBPJPY. And if you have an ongoing sell position on GBPJPY, then yes, you can continue with your sell position, because if we look at the present trend of the market here, okay, or if I just ask you, okay, to concentrate on this particular portion of the market here, then you can see that right now selling pressure is quite high. And if we consider the overall geopolitical situation right now, we all know it very well that there is a crisis, there is a tension going on between the Ukraine and the Russia. And whenever there is a crisis, there is a tension in the world going on, we always see the safe haven currencies like Japanese yen, Swiss franc, they all move up. And mostly gold is considered as the safest investment. Okay, as a result, whenever there will be a crisis in the world, you'll always see gold going up. And right now, as we all know, gold is heavily bullish right now. So if there is fresh set of bullishness in the market again, if JPY, okay, considering the overall geopolitical situation, if JPY, Japanese yen, continues to be bullish, then obviously there will be selling pressure will be on GBP JPY, and not only GBP JPY, almost all in all the Japanese yen pairs. Okay, if the selling, if the the bullishness in the Japanese yen continues, considering the overall geopolitical situation. And right now, I would like to add one more thing. If you have a sell position, then there may be some struggle around the 200 moving average. If you want to exit, you can exit, and if you do not want to exit, then your target should be 155.31. Okay, you can see that this is our support here. So if market comes down and to the level of 155.31 level, observe the market and see how the market is doing. Okay, if you see that market is trying to bounce with proper risk management, no, so with strict risk management, you can take a buy call here. Okay, but if you see the selling pressure is very high, if you see that Japanese yen is very strong and Japanese yen looks unstoppable, okay, then there will be selling, and you can take a sell below this level as well. So this is also a buying point, also a selling point. So your observation will be very critical. If it bounces with price rejection, go for a buy. If it breaks it, go for a sell. But if it fails, then you'll sell here, and your target will be 154.80. This is your next important level, 154.80. And this level is important because not only we have a minus support here, but also it is also the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. So there is a possibility that market will try to bounce from here as well. If you see market bouncing from this level, definitely it deserves a buy. And again, I'm saying with risk management. Risk management in this market condition is extremely important. And if the selling pressure is extremely high, if market breaks the level of 154.80, take a sell. Again, you can take a sell position if market breaks it, and your TP will be 153.90. 153.90. Okay, exit from your sell position, and you can also observe the market around 153.90. In forex market, usually we see that market respects the Fibonacci 50% retracement level, and there is a good possibility that market will bounce from here. If market bounces from the Fibonacci 153.90 50% retracement level, we can definitely take a buy position. So things are very critical. Okay, we have 3 levels here. So trade wisely and trade with proper logic. Again, I'm saying if market bounces from this particular level here, you can take a buy position. If market breaks it, if you want, you can take a sell. Then observe the market at 154.80 level. If market bounces, go for a buy. If market breaks it, go for a sell. Okay. And if market comes on down to the level of 153.80 level or 90 level, if market bounces, you can go for a buy as well. So these are the 5 trading opportunities that I'm sharing today. So if you have failed to understand the video, I'm extremely sorry. Watch the video again. Okay. And anyway, whatever you do, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. Okay. Because risk management is the key. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.